Okay, so I got all the covers off, and this is what I was talking about. This is the auto choke, and when I open this up, the choke, so this is the thermostat arm, and then that's the actual choke arm right there that goes to the butterfly in there. When I opened this up, this was kind of like this, connected to that arm right there. That's how the manufacturers hook them up. So what you want to do is pull that off of the arm and just leave it like that. So that way there's literally nothing for this to get hung up on, and it'll work fine. That's what these quantum engines were notorious for, was this kind of problem right here. And a lot of mechanics will take the thermostat arm and pull it off of the choke. So this will still work like it normally does. So let's put all the covers back on. I should probably take the blower to this, but I have to remember that this is exposed. The engine oil is exposed now, so I should probably put the blower housing back on first. Okay, I got it back together. Let's try it again and see if I fixed it. Alright, here we go. I'm going to put you down here so I can pull it harder. There's not really a good place. Alright, you guys are just going to see nothing for now. There's just nothing I can do about it. Let it run for a minute. Let's test out the drive. Lots of plus. Alright, she works good now. So I'll detail this, and I'm so glad I don't have to purchase a carb or anything like that, because the carb is brand new. So this thing is exempt from routine maintenance, at least, except for the oil. I still have to change it, but yeah, this thing runs good now. So I'll just detail this and get some wheels for it, and some caps because they're missing, and could probably use a new momentum sticker here, but it would be a plus if I can find an engine sticker that goes here, because it's not there. But that's pretty much the only things that this thing really needs is wheels, some stickers, and some caps, and that's pretty much it. So, not bad for free, huh? Alright, thank you guys for watching.